A little update on the 58 Chevrolet. Starting to get it stripped down. Bed off. A lot of new parts. Bed broken down. Interior almost stripped. Headliners out. These awesome colored seats that they've got going in here. Are those not nice? Turquoise thread. Wow. Gonna be sharp when we're done. We're gonna send it over to Dusty and let him work his magic on it. And that's it, folks.